Think you're nailing your workouts after 50? What if I told you that the way you're moving might actually be causing your joint pain? Not your age. Here's the truth. Strength and mobility don't fade with time, they fade with neglect. And the fix isn't complicated. In fact, it comes down to just 3 simple exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. Stay with me till the end, because one tiny mistake in these moves could be what's holding your body back from feeling strong, balanced, and pain-free again. Let's start. 1. The squat, foundation of strength. Most people do this wrong. They bend their knees forward and wonder why their joints ache. The secret? The power isn't in your knees. It's in your hips. Here's how to fix it. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest slightly lifted and your eyes looking forward. Now push your hips back like you're about to sit on an invisible chair. Lower yourself slowly, no dropping, no bouncing, and then rise back up under control. Do 10 to 15 reps. You'll feel your thighs, glutes, and lower back working together. These are your body's shock absorbers. Think of your legs as the pillars that hold up everything else. When they're strong, your balance improves, your joints stay protected, and everyday movements, like climbing stairs or getting out of a chair, become effortless again. And don't worry if you need to hold on to a chair or wall for balance. Stability comes with practice, not perfection. 2. The plank, your body's hidden support system. Next up, the plank. Most people think it's an ab exercise, but it's so much more than that. It's your entire support system. Your core is the bridge that connects your upper and lower body. When it's weak, everything else falls apart. Your posture, your balance, even your back health. But here's the catch. Do it wrong, and you'll strain your back instead of strengthening it. Here's how to get it right. Place your forearms on the floor, elbows directly under your shoulders. Step your feet back until your body forms a straight line. Head to heels. Now lightly squeeze your core as if someone's about to tap your stomach. And breathe. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. If that feels easy, try lifting one foot slightly. That's your advanced version. Your goal isn't to hold it forever, it's to hold it well. Because when your core is strong, everything you do becomes easier. Walking, bending, lifting, even just standing tall. Your core is like the foundation of a skyscraper. If it's solid every floor above, your spine, your shoulders, your hips stand strong and balanced. 3 arm raises, strength you can feel every day. Finally, in the arm raises, simple but incredibly powerful when done right. Most people make one big mistake. They swing their arms using momentum instead of control. The goal isn't movement, it's muscle activation. Here's the correct form. Stand tall or sit upright with your back straight. Hold light weights, or just water bottles, that's fine. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and slowly raise your arms to shoulder level. Then lower them down with control. Don't let gravity do the work for you. Do 10 to 12 reps. You'll feel your shoulders, upper back, and posture improve. The exact muscles that help you stay upright, confident, and pain-free in daily life. This move may look small, but it's a game changer. It opens your chest, strengthens your back, and helps protect your shoulders. One of the first areas to lose strength as we age. Final thoughts. So here's your new game plan for staying strong after 50. Squats, to build strength from the ground up. Planks, to stabilize and protect your spine. Arm raises, to restore your upper body power. Do 1 round today, just 1. Then challenge yourself. Try 10 perfect squats, a 30-second plank, and 12 controlled arm raises. You'll feel the difference, not tomorrow, not next week, but immediately. Because your body doesn't need perfection. It just needs consistency. Start where you are, move with intention, and your body will thank you with more energy, confidence, and freedom than you thought possible. If this helped you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a boost, and subscribe. Because your journey to strength and mobility doesn't stop here. This is just the beginning.